So today I am gonna illustrate how to create a data model from different Excel files. So first of all, let's say I have four Excel files that record the sales of a store. It's include history sale, current sale, sale return, and sale people data. So let's take a look at all the file. So for the sale history, we have it record all the orders from the sale in the history. We have all the column. We have the calendar, order date, order ID, the product ID, or um, the customer name, address, the categories or subcategory. All right, and same with the file called sale current. It had the same column with sale histories, but the only thing different is they contain the records of the sale in current. So that we're gonna combine the two file. And sale returns is the file that record on the information of the order that return back to the store. It include order ID, return reason description, and return reason category. And the last file is gonna be sale people data. This file record the information of the sale manager, the name of the managers, and the region that they be a managers. So I gonna use Cognos Analytics version 11.1.7 to integrate all the files into one file. So at first I gonna upload all the file. So I gotta get all the file. Alright, all the files upload gonna show in my content. As you can see, sale history, return, current, people data. Alright, so I gonna do a little bit organize my files. I how data model folder. I'm gonna move all the file just upload there. So move to sale current, sale return. Gonna move it to data model. Okay. Alright, so all my files in the data models file. So next I gonna integrate all the Excel file to into one files. So when you upload those files, IBM Cognos gonna recognize each files as one table. So I gonna create a new data model. So in the new data models, I need four files that I just upload. That's gonna be sale return, sale current, and people data. Alright, so I have 4 files. Each file gonna be one table. Is recognized as a table. So I gonna connect um, the cell return. Cell current and cell history into one table. I'm gonna create a new table. So I need one more file. It's current and history. So IBM Cognos will pop up with many choices. It allows us to create a union table because, as I mentioned before, those two files have the same column, so they are able to be union. So let's say if I would like to union the cell currents with return, so IBM doesn't the Cognos doesn't allows me to do that because they have different column. The only way I can combine them is they based on the uh, column match. So alright, so let's turn back with my current and history. I gonna read union table. So next I gonna name this new table is named cell union. So let's refresh. Okay, so this new table, they have the same columns, but they gonna contain the data of the current sales and history sale. So you can see here. So let's finish. There we go. I got a new table. It's called Sale Union, which contain the information on the data of history sales and current sales. So I got one more next step. I would like to combine the information of the sales and the return. So in the new table, I click create a new table. So I would like to join the information of sale and return. So I put get the sale return file as mentioned before. So Cognos only lets us to combine these files, the table, as long as they have one column match. So I'm gonna create a join views. So I will click next. So you can see here the cell union table we have with all the column that I'm of the sale, like product ID, the product name, and the table 2 is contain all the information of the sale return as I show you in the Excel file before. So I'm gonna connect the two files. It's called order ID. All right, and about the relationship type, so I gonna pick lab out the choice. It means because I do need the new table gonna contain, I want the new table it contain the information of all the sale and order the order. So I can so after I pick the relationship type, I'm gonna match the select column. Let's refresh. Alright, you can see here the new table gonna contain all the information of the sales and the information of the data of the sales and the data of the return, right? I'm gonna click next. I'm gonna change the name. It calls all. I'm gonna call it sale return. All right, the sale return table. Let's refresh. I got finished. So, all right, you can see here we have a new table, what is contain the data of the sales, current sale and history sale, including return information. And however, I would like to have a table that contain all the information with the it include the people as well. So I can make another um, union. So I gonna create a new table. I gonna add table people. So it's gonna it's show the same. It show the we're gonna create a join view. Next. So you can see here for the table, the first table we have on the left side is the new one we just create. It include all the information of the sales and return. And the second table is the information of the people, which is our managers and the region of those managers. So though these table have the same column, which is region. So I'm gonna combine that. I'm gonna click them. All right. So same thing with the relationship type is left out the joins because I would like to get all the information of the first table, and the include with the information of the second table. Okay, so we pick because because if we pick the right outer joins, if one of the table if one of the managers on the table 2 is, let's say, they move or they don't have they don't no longer have the data, and so we delete the information of those table, it's gonna affect the table 1. So we have to pick the left outer joins. So we're gonna match the select column, refresh. So gonna click next. Cell, we can cell management. All right. Refresh. All right. So we're gonna have the new table. I'm gonna click finish. There we go. So sale management is the final table which is contain all the information of the sale history sale, current sale, return, and people. All right, and we're gonna use this table for the future when we create the dashboards and report. Thank you.